Today we're exploring the Sphere Density Interactive Calculator, an essential tool for engineers working with spherical objects who need to quickly determine material properties and dimensions. Whether you're designing ball bearings, pressure vessels, or analyzing material samples, this calculator solves the fundamental relationships between a sphere's mass, radius, volume, and density. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the Calculation Mode drop-down menu. This offers 6 calculation options. Calculate density from mass and radius. Calculate mass from density and radius. Calculate radius from mass and density. Calculate volume from radius. Calculate radius from volume. And calculate mass from volume and density. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate density from mass and radius. Below the dropdown, you'll find 4 input fields: mass in kilograms, radius in meters, density in kilograms per cubic meter, and volume in cubic meters. Depending on your selected calculation mode, you'll only need to fill in the relevant fields. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine we're analyzing a steel ball bearing. We'll enter a mass of 0.256 kilograms and a radius of 0.02 meters. After clicking Calculate, the results instantly appear. Our density is 7,639 kilograms per cubic meter, confirming this is indeed steel. The volume shows as 0.0000335 cubic meters. Additionally, we get bonus outputs: the diameter of 0.04 meters and surface area of 0.00503 square meters. These outputs provide comprehensive sphere properties critical for material identification, weight calculations, and surface treatment planning. One crucial tip: always double-check your unit consistency. Entering radius in centimeters while thinking in meters is a common error that produces wildly incorrect densities. Find the link in the description below.